right, let's look at a problem where they give you a midpoint and an endpoint. Now I've graphed these on the graph. My midpoint is at -1, 0, where I have the m. My endpoint is at -10, 6. Now what I'm looking for is the point at the other end of this line. So if I start at my endpoint, go through my midpoint here, somewhere down here, I'm going to have another endpoint, and that's what I'm looking for. Now there's an easy way to do this. Let's set this up where we have our endpoint first. So my endpoint, get a different color, my endpoint is -10, 6. Now my midpoint, which is in the middle, that one is -1, 0. And my other endpoint, what I'm looking for, we're looking for those two coordinates. So let's look and see what happens with the x value. If you look at your x, you went from -10 to -1. Now think about a thermometer. From -10 to -1 is up 9 degrees. Now I'm halfway there, okay? I need to go the rest of the way. So what I need to do is repeat that. I need to add 9 again. And -1 plus 9 is a +8. Now let's look at our y values. My y value went from 6 to 0. So on a thermometer, that would be down 6. I need to do that again because I'm halfway there. So I need to go over here and do -6. 0 minus 6 is -6 degrees. So my endpoint should be at 8, -6. Let's put it on the graph and see if that works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That point, this new endpoint, would be right here. And if I were to draw a line to connect these two, you could tell that that is the endpoint when you are given a midpoint and given an endpoint. So remember, when you go to do this, rearrange it. Put the endpoint on the left, the midpoint in the middle. And think of a thermometer. What happened with my x? Repeat it. Do it again. What happened with my y? Repeat that and do it again. And what that will do is give you the endpoint at the other end of the graph. So the endpoint they were looking for was 8, -6.